Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted posts on Facebook. So if you deleted a post from your Facebook profile, and now you want to recover it, I will show you how to do that. Just follow my steps. This process is same for iOS and Android. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Facebook app on your device. When you do that, you need to click on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Now you are on this menu, and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy and click on it. After that, go on Settings option. Now you are on Settings and Privacy and you can manually find a download of posts, but we will go on essayist and faster way. Just click on search bar and type download. Then go on download your information. So next on this menu you can request a copy of your information at any time, and to do it you need to click on request a download. Now you need to select the information you want to download, so I will go on second option, because on that option is a post download. Also you can see what Facebook offers to recover. And then select the posts and go on next. So now you need to select file options. You can select the email, media quality, I always recommended a high quality, format on format I recommended HTML, and you can select date range. On data range you can select the period of time you share a post on Facebook, you have a basic period or you can set a custom period, and go on save. When you finish all of this, go on Symbit request, and you will wait a couple of days or weeks to Facebook copy your data, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.